In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reschedule a meeting in Google Calendar. Whether a change in plans has come up suddenly or you're working ahead to accommodate an upcoming conflict, being able to reschedule meetings efficiently is an essential skill. Google Calendar makes this process straightforward, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. Firstly, you want to start by opening Google Calendar. You can do this by navigating to calendar.google.com on your web browser or by opening the Google Calendar app on your mobile device. Once you're there, take a moment to locate the meeting you need to reschedule. It's typically listed on the date and time when it was originally scheduled. This part might seem a bit like finding a needle in a haystack if you have a busy schedule, but no worries, just take your time to ensure you select the correct meeting. Next, give the meeting a good click. This action will open up the event details. What you're seeing now includes everything related to that meeting, the guest list, meeting location, any video conferencing links, and notes that might be present. But our focus is on finding the edit icon, and that is represented by a small pencil icon. Click on it to proceed to the editing screen. Now that you're in the editing mode, you have the opportunity to adjust the date and time of your meeting. Directly input the new date and time or use Google Calendar's handy drag and drop feature in the day or week view to move the event to a new slot that works better for everyone. It's always a good practice to add a note in the description, such as rescheduled to a new date, just to keep all participants in the loop and context about the change. Once you've adjusted the timing, it's critical to save these changes. Click on the Save button to make sure your new schedule sticks. Immediately after hitting save, you should be prompted with an option to send updates to all participants. It's crucial to select Send Updates since this action sends a notification to everyone involved, ensuring they are aware of the changes. It's a kind gesture to avoid any confusion or missed meetings. The nifty part is that Google Calendar will update their calendars automatically without needing any additional actions from them. And there you go, your meeting has been successfully rescheduled on Google Calendar and everyone's informed. I hope you found this guide simple and helpful, making future rescheduling tasks a breeze. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to